So guys, Logan Bastos here. So I just was on YouTube and I came across this. These people did like a water bottle challenge where you like take the water bottle in less than 1 second. I tried it, I couldn't do it. But I'm a pro water bottle drinker and I just drank it in 10 seconds and now it's in my belly. Listen. So yeah. So yeah, it's weird. Oh. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to do. See ya, peace. Subscribe, like, spinner giveaway.